ka sarkar jala ka labu da ka thong ba naduh ka arpar tere ka Khyndailad ka badai ka pedeng jong ka nong ba shilong kan sa kylluid no war namar shwa kani ka sngi kin sa pen kan ria no sha ka wei pat ka jaka yiki nong di madan halor kani menteri ka tana tourism jong ka sarkar jala uba pol lingdo ula pentem ru hakilat pathai kubor baka sarkar jala kalabu thong hadu karpar tarik naitung naga benta ban penkan ria lot no yiki nong dia madan na Khyndailad shushu menteri ule thoru banadu katai kasngi an pentre kam no yaka kendon ban sha tang yiki nong ïaid kejan ban ïaid na katai ka jaka kata na Khyndailad shekithan sosun bat kumju na Khyndailad ban mi sheki benta jong ka jail road sha shu ban ïaid kali na kini ki jaka na benta kitu ki basa hakite ki jaka on bo da kapor ban sha ki kali ban mi bat ban rung da ka ba ai de ki pas ban pensi sha ong menteri aga ju kapor menteri ule thuru bahadin baladep ban pen kylluid ka sarkar ka danru ya ka thong ban pen itanat shushu ya ka Khyndailad nang ni shakhaman laban kedo hang ni baka sarkar jala kala terwa hadu shipau hajar tingka kabai kersha ni kitu gi nong dia madan ki bala jit ban kenria naka jaka baki judi baro shikata ha Khyndailad bakin le dino shaka jaka bala penkret ka sarkar nalor kata kala kula ru pansiu ar hajar tingka man upanai naka benta san manai kum ka jing kersha ni ki.
One major plan that we have been advocating is the pedestrianization of the entire road from the entry point to Khyndailad up to Jail Road on the right side and Sosun on the left side. Beautification, there will be pedestrianization, and only those staying in that particular area will be issued passes which will allow them to reach their homes, and that also it will not be throughout the day. We will have timing, entry timing and also exit timing. We will enforce to ensure that pedestrians are safe to walk through. So there will be specific hours for them to leave the area and to enter the area.